Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of the Mailbag. Today we are talking about our upper strap boosters. These are part of the strap booster kit, which also includes a belt booster and lower shoulder strap extensions. The primary purpose of these is to get a bigger fit for taller people, people with a broader torso, just in general, people much bigger than me. People my size can also use these to refine the fit and positioning of the shoulder strap. So that's what I'm going to show you today. This is going to affect the way the pack sits on your hips, but also where the shoulder strap pocket area sits across your chest. And if you use a camera clip, how you can kind of adjust the positioning for the camera clip. So if I put this on, we can take a look at where everything sits without the upper booster straps. If I turn to the side and show you where the waist belt sits, let's say there is about 2-3 centimeters gap between the table and the waist belt. The bottom of the belt is sitting at the top of my hip bone. What I actually want is for the gap here to sit over the top of my hip bone. So half is actually hugging my hip bone, and the top half is kind of curved over the top of my hip bone. Now, if we look at the position of the clip mount, it's a little bit high. Honestly, on my body, it's not gonna be the end of the world, but it will be nicer to have it a little bit lower. And as some people have commented before, they feel the strap sits a little too high for them. Now, if we look at the body and where it's sitting, it's probably about the same height as where my collar is. So with that in mind, let's take a look at the fit with the booster straps on. To attach the booster straps, unzip the sleeve, release the hook and loop, take one booster strap, thread it through the aluminum, press down on the hook and loop to make sure it has nice engagement. And you can already see just how the booster works. And then attach it to the pack. Now, you'll notice I attached it to the small setting, whereas before I had my pack on the large setting. Now, if I kept it on the large setting, I'd have about 9 to 10 centimeters of extension, and that's going to be too much for me. So having the 3 sizes lets you further refine it to how you want it to fit. Let me just put the other one on here quickly. Again, make sure you have good engagement with the hook and loop, because if you don't, it'll start to pull the 2 surfaces. Now that'll put stress on the seams, and one thing you don't want is the coarse side to be rubbing on any seams or threads, because it'll eventually wear it away. So make sure the engagement is good. Now that the straps are on, let's put the pack on again. Okay, so immediately I can feel and tell you that the belt is sitting exactly where it's supposed to sit. If I put my hand through the opening in the side of the belt, it is right at the top of my hip bone, and the upper portion of the belt rolls over while the lower portion hugs the side. Now, when I turn towards the camera, you can see the positioning of the capture clip is much lower. Remember, it was at my collar before. Now it's about 2-3 centimeters lower. Again, I'll grab the body for some clearer visual reference. And now that I think I have this in a good place, I'm gonna further adjust the lower adjustments, but I'm also going to adjust the sternum strap to compensate for the new position. Just to quickly recap the purpose of this video, the upper strap boosters, which are part of the strap booster kit, they're great for not only people with longer and taller torsos, but also for people with similar builds to me. Now, I demonstrated on the X25 because the height of the pack is a little shorter than my actual torso. Now, this wouldn't necessarily transfer over to a X50 or X40, but if you are taller than me and I'm about 173, 74 centimeters, you can consider these kind of refinements with the bigger packs. So I hope that helps you. And if you're watching this video In 2024, from November 25th to December 31st, we're having a holiday sale, 20% off pretty much all of our backpacks, core units, top loaders, and rollers. So head to our website, save some money for the holidays. And yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care.